Sér.
I feel quite hungry! Show your stuff!
Broadcast í gangi. Söður Nólaður. Hvað segir þið? Live. Jú, já.
Kurva! You're in for an arse picking, you piece of shit! Alert!
Það fara eftir gæti maður því spilaðan leikur til þess að þess að langur kortir. Glimti ég að taka örfata mínar, fjandinn að það. Segðu hvað þið dóu vel. Hvað, varst það bara að snippa eða? Jep. Jú, já. Hvað, bara í 69? Já. Hvað var hinn líkinn maður? Glím alltaf að peka upp að róta mínar. Áttur.
That treasure should be buried somewhere around here.
Farðu. Fáið þetta hundur. Hver að kommenta? Come shot, Grímur. Hann bara með því á. Hann fær bara nota Kathjón þegar hann fær lag. Ég veit það. Það ekkert títikvöld, ég nenni ekki.
That bastard had the same map on him like the one I bought from Krijan. What the fuck is this supposed to be?
Tók hann niður. Kurlað Diamond. Segðu við hann að við komum í Siege sem hann kaupir handaði gólsetti og 70.000 kall og 5 rúti fyrir mig. Já, hann heyrir glíðar. Þetta til í það? Já. Kaupir þetta gólsett og 70.000 kall fyrir mig og 5 rútur á sanna og komið annars ekki. Kurl getur farið í Siege með þér, mér áttur ekki Diamond. Ég nenni ekki. Ég meina, hvað, ert þú ekki silver eða? Þú kannski rétt skriður í gól. Ég nenni ekki í Siege. Skal gert þarna. Bara nýtt season eftir 4 daga. Ég bara búinn að
I was in the graveyard and I
seasons
found Valentine, but there wasn't any sword there. However, I did find an engraving.
Slow down. What engraving?
On the lid of his grave. I thought that since I couldn't find the sword, I'd at least forge you a copy.
You forged a copy of Valentine's sword? Just based on a picture?
Well, I know, it's not the original.
Eitthvað að kommenta á YouTube, ég sé það ekki.
Are you certain the original looked like this?
Valentine himself could not tell me.
All right, Henry, thanks. I think we can stop this masquerade now, don't you? You're very good. I've long tried in vain to get into that grave. But I hope you know that I must kill you now. I can't risk you opening your mouth somewhere and letting slip that this sword is a fake.
What the hell are you talking about? Who are you, really?
I sell relics, gems, and all kinds of other trinkets to collectors.
Hverju? Hvort það hægt að kommenta á YouTube?
Nei, ég var að djóka. Ég sagði, eitthvað að kommenta? Ég sé það ekki. Þetta Grímur að fucking spamma fucking YouTube, sko.
Já. Hvað er það að segja?
Bara hvað Þórhallur miðill og eitthvað kjátt að...
Það spamma Þórhallur miðill?
Þið vantar Diamond, það bara 4 dagar eftir að seasoninu. Mér drull, ég nenni ekki sít.
Ég meina, þú ert ekkert að vera að finna lyktina af
But almost all
Nei.
You knew there was
something
odd about all this.
Of course you knew. So, what's it going to be? Will you die nice and quietly or put up a fuss?
I won't give up without a...
I'll kill you!
Já, hann bara drepa mig. Ég bara búið sverð fyrir hann.
Bad luck.
Motherfucker. Fæ ég rúti á tókist þér. Reyna að exploita my weaknesses.
Mikið rættur að drekka?
Jep.
Hann ætla bara að fá sér 3 í kvöld og rúta á morgun.
Fænt að rúti heim til mín. Í kvöld þá eða? Ég ætla ekki að spila edrú. Sjá. Ég held að hann hafi verið með juicy. Hvað okkur er það svo stólið? Já, hans tali. Já, já.
Átti ekki bjórum ekki? Átti 3 bjóra?
Ekki lengur.
Ertu búinn með 3 bjóra?
Það er 3. Spá að fara að hinga í grund. Akkur heitir tánun ekki bara brund? Henry verður hann að fá sér 1-0 að ræða. Maður sé að hann var að drekka fyrir kallinn. Já.
Oh shit.
Whoa, whoa.
Varst þú ekkert svona eins og ég að hlaupa bara alltaf inn um bushes og eitthvað kjafta á eftir þeim?
Nei.
Hverju?
Bara betra að fara með þar á veginum, þá kannski spottar eitthvað sem þú vilt explora og hittir eitthvað.
Já.
Present.
Guð minn ámáttur.
Þetta ástæðan okkur ég gerði aldrei.
Jep. Já. Og á morgun, hvað má ekki að lífa það? Hvað er 2008 eða leiknum?
18.
Whoa, whoa.
Nice.
Ekki smá. Eða smá. Eitthvað 10 mínútur eða eitthvað. Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah?
Var det bara klippa pappa? Yeah?
Praise be Jesus Christ. Now and forever.
Klippa pappa.
Excuse me. Are you Behuta by any chance?
That's right, I am.
You're here to
right old wrongs, be my guest. God knows I deserve it.
I don't need to right any wrongs. The devil sent me to see if you would rejoin his band.
He is free, and he still hasn't learned. Anyway, tell him I'm definitely not going back to that life.
What the hell?
Why don't you want to go back?
I want to reform myself, to redeem myself before the Lord God, and to earn his absolute. There is no way to do that if I am...
I'd like to find the rest of the Devil's Pack.
Just Ranyek. It has been a few days.
What did he want from you?
He was begging me for some coin. He said he had a game in Pshitoki, and that he would as always...
What did he want from you?
He was begging me for some coin. He said he had a...
Ranyek still hasn't given up.
That fella will never learn. He won a really nice bow once.
Do you know where I could find him now?
Kommer inte tillbaka i Devil's Posse.
Arranged in Pshitoki. Maybe he's...
Because it came in
At the Devil's Posse.
I'll find him there. I'll be on my way.
Hold on. While you're here, we can pray for the devil's soul together. God knows he
Testar det the devil är.
Ja.
We can. Though I don't know if it'll help anything.
Allir bara nej, ég ætla ekki að þanga. Nej.
Look at me. I used to kill, drink, spend nights with whores, but I learned that it was the wrong way.
Ég búinn að hitta þennan til að segja nei.
Why all of a sudden?
Svo neither Forrest sem var að reyna að liða stela peningaði með vegan, hann kom ekki.
Hey, how did you get involved with the devil anyway?
It was thanks to Jan Žižka.
So, you know Žižka too. Where from?
It's a long story.
Ja, ég ekki búinn með þennan, sjá til.
But if you came to the Devil's Den, I'll tell you all about it over a beer.
Nice try, lad, but I'm staying away from the drink. It's just not worth it. What do you think of the devil anyway?
I trust Žižka to know what he's doing. He knows the devil pretty well.
Žižka is slightly less of a bastard than the devil. I don't know how he can stand him. The ends justify the means, I suppose. When your neck is on the line, you'd better be sure those two bastards are worth it.
Where did you say you wanted to pray?
Right here. At my brother's grave.
Is that Slavek's grave?
You know my brother's name?
Aye.
Aye. We were in the band together, but the priest was
Was that important to you?
It was. When Slavek was killed and the band broke up, Father Havel put a roof over my head and showed me a completely different life than I had known before then. Together with my brother, I buried my past here, and vowed over his grave that I would never harm another living soul.
This is where you want to pray for the devil?
Here is where I found reconciliation and peace of mind. Where else should I pray for the devil to find his own?
Why did you decide to leave everything behind and start a new life here?
Because of my brother. I was with him in his last moments. He was completely overcome with horror. I never thought he could be so scared.
But you must have been used to seeing death.
He did not fear death, but what comes next? He knew the kind of life he had led.
Og síðan þegar maður spila hann leik sem Leon Kennedy, þá þetta ekkert scary, maður bara ekki slátrar öllum.
But I believe that if I reform myself before the Lord God, he might forgive Slavik.
Síðan þegar maður spila sem Grace maður, hann algjör, kann ekki að skjóta neitt maður. Maður bara fela sig.
That's not up to me. He has to help himself. I can only pray for him.
Combat system er eins og í Resident Evil 4 á Kennedy.
That's not going to help him much. He needs you, not your prayers.
I can give him nothing more.
You can tell yourself all you want that you're a better person now, but you can't change your past. Once a thug and a drunk, Always a thug and a drunk. You're no saint, so drop the act. Or do you think God doesn't know? I bet he can't even hear you.
I was a murderer. So what? But I have admitted my faults, repented.
Except you're hoping in vain. Or do you think you can just go around killing people all your life, and then pray for a bit, and that'll balance?
You have gone too far. God, you're mine.
Oh, fucker. Conscience.
See what you did? Me?
You're
the one who
Yeah.
attacked me. I was just defending myself.
You provoked me. It's clear you were cast in the same mold as the devil. He would also never shut up until cheers started flying. Now leave me alone, all of you. Get out of...
I hope no one robbed me.
You know, Mickey.
Good.
No, þú er svo gaur.
Náðu hverjum?
Bahúta?
Já. Ah.
Hvernig?
Ég maður ekki.
Scram! I don't want anything to do with you.
Við maður með eitthvað svaka byssi sem heitir Requiem. Og hinn one-shotar enemies.
Herri, ég ætla nú aðeins að gúrgla þetta, sko.
Ég var að djóka, þú bara... sumir feila en þeir koma samt, sko.
Jú, já. Ég ætla að fokka aftur núna.
Hvað segir ég?
Ætla að ljúga mér aftur.
Nei. Það með þessa mission, sko. Æ, ég man það ekki reyndar.
Það er fokkin, ég þarf ekki þess að gera. Kortið er alltaf góða nætt. Sir Arlen og Fenetry. Sástu ekki hvað YouTube heitir það?
Jú.
Ég er bara Hedge Knight. Má ekki fara inn inn?
Good to see you.
Jú, jú.
Veitu, what er hann infected?
What are you doing here?
Deja vu. Captain Operating Brentwood.
Are you blacksmith?
No, I'm Hodza. Then he messed up his hand and couldn't smith no.
And do you know where I could find it?
He started working the shaft as a regular miner.
Show me your...
Show me your wares. Það er okkur í með Madman's Longsword á mér.
What can we do, sir? Maybe next time then.
Get out! Somebody ought to grab it by the scruff of the neck.
Whoa!
You're always welcome here, noble sir.
Nice.
Are you Stander?
Who's asking?
Henry. I'm Martin's son. He used to apprentice with you at Skoda's Forge.
Martin? Christ, I haven't heard that name in years. How's he doing these days?
I'm afraid he's no longer with us.
Ah, I'm very sorry to hear that. We used to be best friends.
So I've heard.
Christ, what a day. What a day. Is that what you came here? To tell me he's dead?
Well, I had to tell you. But I also have something to ask of you.
All right, but This why? I don't know if I can. Oh, but I'm in trouble. I fell on some hard times as of late. I was going to pay him back today. So I paid back what I owed him. But he says if I don't pay... He says it was all in the contract I signed. I can't read, you see. He swindled me. Say, Henry, I know it's a lot to ask, but you look like a tough bloke.
Where can I find the fella?
He's out patrolling on the road. He's a catchpole. And you can tell... Christ, I hope...
Why are you so afraid of him?
Because he's a madman. He'll beat the shit. The miners call him.
Maybe he's just...
Trust me, he's not. I knew a lad who owed him a lot less. And now he's a cripple.
I wanted to ask you about the Kuttenberg Astronomical...
Look, I don't have time to...
All right, then.
That's a lot of blood.
Stander said you want some money on...
And what's it,
I think you ought to forget about the interest. What you Why break his arms over a made-up debt? What sense does it make? So people will steal you. In the end, that'll only bring you trouble. And what if some superior of yours falls? You think they'll be pleased? You'll be the one who ends up paying for it.
Well, you're probably right.
Hva säger jag?
All right then.
Stander
repaid his debt to me.
Nick,
Here's the
what?
promissory note. And tell him he's off the hook.
Sorted out those problems of you. He'll make do with what you originally owed him.
Thank you. You wanted to talk about the astronomical clock.
The guild assigned me Skoda's old forge, so I'm fixing it up. And while I was cleaning, Magdalena told me the two of you tried to repair it.
Wait. You're the master of old...
I am.
Oh!
Well, I'll be.
She is.
That's...
Better now, I'd say. She was sad to see how long the forge was in disrepair. And living in a half-broken down house must...
Poor thing. When old Skoda... I have to go and see her. I don't want to be here anyway. You reminded me of the old times in Skoda's forge. Damn it. I'm a blacksmith. An armorer. Oh, only I can't fight for my place in the sun. I never could. But maybe it's not too late. I'll try, but first, I'm going to Skoda's forge to see Magdalena.
All right.
There's nothing keeping me here now.
Onward to Kuttenberg. Värre marken för att praya hvis de är den. Hva hender i sånne fester?
Þú ert ekkert að samla bír.
Já, það er það. Ég ætla ekki að vera að þamba stanslít, ég ætla ekki að gera hana byttu.
Jú.
Hvað er það?
Bara að vera góð bytta, þá færðu hana bónus í statsina, sko.
Þetta tekur svona 2 mínútur að setja eitt bjór, hvað maður verið með 50 stykki á sér eða?
Það var ekkert erfitt fyrir mig, maður alltaf að vera með svona happy drinkdót á sér, sko.
Hann svo fljótur að drekja.
Fáðu þið meira. Ekki stútfyllta, fyllta þetta næstu bara upp í svona 95%.
I believe in God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth, and in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord, who was conceived by the Holy Spirit, born of the Virgin Mary, suffered under Pontius Pilate,
Pontius Pilatus,
died and was buried. He descended into hell. On the 3rd day he rose again from the dead. He ascended into heaven and is seated at the right hand of God the Father Almighty.
Get that, get a prayer.
And thence he shall come to judge the living and the dead. I believe in the Holy Spirit, the Holy Catholic Church, the communion of saints, the forgiveness of sins, the resurrection of the body, and life everlasting. Amen. I believe in the Holy Spirit, the Holy Catholic Church, the communion of saints, the forgiveness of sins, the resurrection of the body, and life everlasting.
Get ég ekki fengið með vínglas?
Kveikari, nice. What the hell?
This guy made a speak fighter, þetta að bjóra.
Já, gauð, voru að passa á því líka maður.
Þú sagði mér að drakka bara allt í röð.
Ég vissi ekki að það væri svona fucking fullur á matinn maður.
Aldrei eru svona feitir í leiknum.
Startsíðin bara alveg niður, stamina er bara farið.
Já. Það er ekki nógu gott sem ég. Hvað maður það bara ekki að mat, það maður bara verið í áfenginu.
Já.
Ég er að stokka upp á bír.
Stay in the light, bro, hesitate.
Stay in the light. Okkur var ekki út að hestur réðast á mig í gær.
Wow. Hvað segir þið?
Þegar hestur réðast á mig í missionum alltaf því.
Já.
Þú bara sprakst.
Do you remember me, you cunt? You sold me that map.
You cunt?
Yeah. And what of it?
Do you know where that map led?
If I knew, then I would have found the treasure myself, don't you think?
There was no treasure. It led me to a pack of fucking thieves. But that's not all. I went through their pockets, and one of them also had a map. The exact same map. Can you explain to me how there could be two maps exactly the same?
How should I know? I just found that map and sold it to you. I don't...
I've had enough of this shit. If you don't immediately give me back the money for that worthless parchment, I'll teach you how to dance with a knife in your belly.
Wait. I really didn't know there wasn't any treasure there. I swear on my parents' graves.
Shut your mouth and pay up.
Here you go. That's all of it, to the very last groschen. I'm sorry.
Mom.
X marks the spot, Peter Indiana Jones.
Hvað er ég að gera? Já, ég dör.
Quick.
Ha!
Whoa.
Herzlich willkommen.
What's going on?
Yeah, it isn't easy to talk about a bunch of blackguards from the Hungarian camp. They rob and...
What?
He didn't want to give...
That really...
Just on the job. Am best...
I know who you...
Und das ist...
I'm looking for someone.
That means nothing.
And he plays dice.
Ja, gestern hat sich völlig betrunken.
Yesterday
with some Pole. They were causing a ruckus until the morning. And I'm still feeling sick.
This drunk Pole, was his name Adder, by any chance?
Yeah, Adder. They say there's a whole Geschichte behind it.
Aye, I know it. I'd like to know where he is now.
You should ask the butcher's wife, Eve.
Why should I ask the butcher's wife?
Well...
Do I have to make you say it? How?
It's just some village.
Look, I've heard a lot about it. If he was sticking it where he shouldn't have, I'd rather know before some cuckold comes at me with...
Knowing our butcher, you're not far from the truth. Letzte Nacht, Adder suddenly disappeared. Just at the same time as the butcher's wife.
She left alone?
Leider ja. Her man passed out on the table right there in the inn.
So Adder took the
Natürlich.
So where is the local butcher?
Natuurlijk.
Go to the village from here. The butcher's Grundstück is the very...
I'll go to see her.
You should be careful. The butcher does not like seeing other men around.
Where can I find this?
Try asking the man who paid for his...
Was he broke?
He lost a small fortune here yesterday. It looked like he was going to get a nice beating because he lost more than he had. But a bunch of Kerler from Bilani, who also came to play, lent him some coin.
And do you know where I could find these men from Bilani?
In Bilani, I reckon.
Thanks a lot.
Tut mir leid. I can't really think clearly. If I were you, I would ask the Bilani innkeeper. With luck, you will...
I should ask the...
Yeah. Spieler from all around meet at his inn, so you must...
Why would they pay for Ranyak?
I do not think so. Maybe they played a lot themselves, but you could...
Grimbar Ranyak.
I'll be on my way.
Yep.
And thank you.
Nichts zu danken.
Nichts zu danken. Das ist ein Kugelschreiber. Gæðum við svona fullar af mat, Svenni?
Quick!
Það er nästan södra grej händer igen. Herrlicht willkommen! Það er ekki nógu gökkunir, ég nenni ekki að spila Seed Sober í kvöld. Gleymdi ég vinurinn. Hlýtur eitthvað alkohol heima þar, voru bara brunað með það eitthvað.
That's pretty gay.
Ég bara nenni ekki að spila Seed Sober.
Wow.
Það kom aftur. Nei, hann.
Það er enginn hér. Grímur er bara að horfa á stríma, hann er að fíla hann leik. Hann bara, akkur get ég ekki svona góður RPGs?
Gauð, ég ætti að djóka.
Welcome, sir. What can...
I'm looking for someone. And the innkeeper said you might...
Is that so?
A wandering man-at-arms. He's a foreigner.
What the hell?
Pole. They call him Adder.
And the innkeeper sent you to me. How nice of him. As if the whole village didn't know already. Now he's going to tell everyone who just walks by. Who are you anyway? Some friend of his?
On the contrary, he's a dangerous cutthroat.
Christ, is that really? He's going to murder my... He and the other men dragged Ada out of the village, saying they'll kick his... But now I'm more worried about them.
I heard you had some... affairs with the pole.
I beg your pardon? Did the innkeeper tell you that?
So it's not true?
Of course it's... I mean, not that the Pole wasn't interested. He was... But I avoided him. If my husband... He got so drunk he fell asleep on the table. And I couldn't wake. Adam must be damn quick. Because he beat me home and waited for me at the door.
What did he want?
No, and I don't know what he wanted either. He was drunk. And since he doesn't speak our tongue, I couldn't understand him. Then he hiccuped, fell to the ground and started...
And what happened then?
He's a big man, so I couldn't move him. That's when my husband returned. And when he found him, he thinks I had something with Ada. Me! If he'd taken one good look at Ada, he'd have seen it wasn't even possible. Ada was still dead drunk in the morning.
Han pratat om titlar om Ada.
And where will I find your husband, Ada, and the rest?
Outside the village, in the direction of Gutenberg. There's a lone tree in the middle of the field. You can see it from a distance. They said that's where they'd take him. So...
You said others went...
Aye.
How many of them?
How should I know? 3?
Nej, jag har nog panik.
Maybe 4.
And did they have weapons?
They're no soldiers. But they carried axes.
That sounds like even more trouble.
Close door.
Please, tell me my old man put them up to it.
What the hell, bruh? Yeah.
Don't worry. I'm sorry, but I couldn't help but notice.
Varför jag rodde åt en av panik? Han går över killusätti.
He doesn't know it. He just doesn't know what he's doing when he's angry.
I'll at least give you...
Yeah,
done.
That's all right.
I better go and see your husband.
Hurry up. Bless you, sir.
Þegi, Grímur. Ég er sem að slökka á þessu streami, skeið.
Slöktu bara kommentunum.
Ándvíks.
Hann fílar ekki ljósið.
Quick!
Panie, mój Boże, wysłuchaj mnie. Całe życie mordowałem i ruchałem. Więcej razy paliłem kościoły, niż byłem u spowiedzi. Wybacz swemu słudze. Wybacz i pozwól mi jeszcze tylko raz wykastrować tych bezbożnych skurwysynów!
Shut up! No one can listen to your damn gibberish!
Twoja baba i tak do końca życia będzie pamiętać o mojej podczej kiełbasie!
I'll shut that gob of yours!
Ciebie i twoją matkę piekło pochłonie. Niech was piekło pochłonie!
Wait! Stop!
A co to za kutas?
Kutas.
What do you want? And who the hell are you?
Leave him alone and untie him.
Why would I do that? Do you know what that bastard did?
If you're talking about the rumors in the village, it's all lies. Nothing happened.
You don't know what you're talking about. That whoreson defiled my wife. My Eva, eh? He should be glad we're only gonna hang him. If I had my way, we'd castrate him as well.
That scoundrel belongs to the Lord of Suchdal Fort.
What does he want with him?
He defiled the Lord's cook, 2 maids, the captain's wife, and stole a statue of the Madonna from the chapel, over which he then did all kinds of lewd acts. They're building a gallows for him at Suchdal.
But what about me? I want satisfaction too, or at least compensation.
You want to argue with Peter of Pisek's armed men? They're already on their way.
As you wish, he's all yours. But the cow is mine, and she's coming with me.
Oh, fuck.
Hvað er að gera?
He's twitching too much. I have to cut the other end, on the tree.
Oh, excuse me. That's right.
Jesus. Glory to Poland, það var að drepast.
Jeszcze ten kociokwik mi łeb! O kurwa. O kurwa, było blisko. O kurwa, kimkolwiek jesteś, ale teraz to sam bym wpierdolił.
I reckon you want to know who I am, right? I'm Henry. Henry.
Henie, a dlaczego ty mówisz do mnie jak do głupca?
Yes, that's me. Henry. I was sent by Dry Devil. He's waiting for you at the Devil's Den.
O, żeż kurwa, czart żyje? To jeszcze go nie powiesili? Kurwa, patrz, głupim to szczęście sprzyja. Te kiepy niemyte ciągle się z nas śmieją. Kurwa mać! Aż mnie świetnie.
Kurwa mać!
Hej, młody, daj mi jakąś broń.
Broni... What?
Broń! Rozumiesz?
A weapon? You want me to give you a weapon?
Tak, kurwa!
Well, you don't need a weapon right now. What for?
No jak to kurwa czemu?
You want revenge, right?
Gdzie tam ja? Spójrz na tę gębuś. Czyż widziałeś kiedykolwiek człowieka bardziej miłującego pokój?
If you're playing innocent, you're not doing a great job. I'm not giving you anything. You can murder whoever you want in the Devil's Den, but now we need to go.
Ależ z ciebie jest cipa, wiesz? Gdyby to był Janosz, ten by... A co z Janoszem?
Przecież... Janosz? You mean Janosz Uher?
No Janosz! W Myskowicach go...
You mean Miskovic? Janosz is in Miskovic?
Tak!
Fantastic! I'll go and get him, and we'll be at the Devil's Den in no time.
Ale do diabła, pojmali go!
He was what? It doesn't matter. I'll find him.
No dobra. Ale tylko tego nie spierdol, kurwa.
Doesn't matter now.
Father assault peacefully. Yep. Hvað er bjórum, Grímur?
Nice, ég get bara verið með chainsaw.
Damn it, die! Með hverjum? Leon S. Kennedy.
Já.
Quick!
Post combat model.
Oh, what the fuck is this? Kurva matche. Kurva? Nej. Hvernig var þetta ekki Game of the Year, Sonny?
Andjóks.
Expedition 33 betra?
Það voru báðið bara jafn góðir. Elskaði það báða, sko.
Hey, yeah.
Here you go. Take it.
Ekki til að fýta mat. Það ekki nóg gott.
Mixed herb.
Hvað varst þú bara að láta mig vinna á The Vineyard í 3 daga?
Alltaf líka spyrja mig bara spurningar og ég bara man og lítið eftir þessu dóti, sko.
Andjóks. Gladaður, Henry.
Ég var bara þú þegar ég var að spila Kingdom Come, bara hann dónitur og vaknaði þessi dag bara hvað var ég að gera?
Já! Ég er glæða. Bara what? Hvað draf ég þennan í ger? Nei.
The hunt begins.
Býtu,
hvað er mikið að trófí?
Hvað fyrir get ég ekki spjalla við hann? Fucking heimskilíkur. Já, kannski að það er ná í beininni, eða ég getur. En ég get strax. I'm going back to town.
Þóralli miðl, bjór núna eða no spil?
Jep. Ekki flókið.
Ertu ekki samt hellaður á pjörlinu?
Já.
Þú sagði það, 3 bjór og þá ertu bara hellaður á pjörlinu?
Já.
Sá?
Nei.
Jú.
Það er ekki ekki.
Það voru skít þunnar eða eitthvað bjór?
Já. Maður var þunnur saman dag, sagði ég. Ég var bara þunnur þannig á 3 tíma eða eitthvað.
Hvað, á ekki pappiðinn eitthvað bjóð?
Jú.
Go! Það ræði frá honum.
Nei. Þá þarf ég að vera í sít. Jú, ég get alveg rænt frá honum, en ég ætla ekki að láta grímið það.
Hvað, bróðinum?
Nei, Sigrid.
Já. Hvað er Jens að nota? Spammaði einn í chatið vörðina.
Ha?
Þetta er Jens að var enn. Ó, hann sá það.
Quick! Nice and slow.
How you'll learn that a church is rotten. Hear what
Ég fæk ekki svona að drepa maður. Hvað rumpir þessi leikur? Þetta er bara cutscene.
You nearly killed me.
Nei, er þetta tournament gæn? Já, fuck this, nope, not doing that. Sko Kattenberg þið eru íslensku.
Nei.
Kattarberg.
Ég veit.
Nei, ég veit það ekki.
Já, hann ætlar að gefa henni bara öfluga byssuna.
King Svenni of Skellets. Tryggvi bara einhver blacksmith sem var myrstur.
Henry, I was wondering when you turn up.
Það fylgja Júlunar og Catherine. Svo glatar ekki að tala við liði stiga.
Já.
Drullaði niður.
Hey, my lovely. Zizka told me you found something out about Liechtenstein.
If only just Liechtenstein. I've only been here a couple of days, but I seem to know everything about this city and its sinful people. And about the Pope, the second Pope, Sigismund, Wenceslas, about the sickness of old men, the desires of young men, who I sometimes have to beat off with a stick. Simply everything. The tavern seems to be the fount of all knowledge.
You'll have to tell me more about the sinning part. That sounds interesting.
You youngsters are all the same, but work before pleasure. After we find Liechtenstein and free Cape Bon, you'll see.
I'll look forward to it. But anyway, about Liechtenstein. Anything new?
Well, there might be something. One of the girls I talked to told me her sweetheart frequents some nasty alehouse. And one of the regulars there recently started buying drinks for the whole house. Which is suspicious, because this fella is practically a beggar. They asked him where he got the coin, and he boasted that he was spying for some...
Catalaya.
Alright.
Giffen
Of course, it doesn't have to be Liechtenstein. Many rich men who pay spies. We have to start somewhere.
That's true.
Have
you spoken to this Dutchman fella?
Not yet. I was rather hoping you'd do it. That grubby alehouse is a bit too wild even for me.
Oh, that's saying something. Well, trying to get sense out of drunken wretches is quite a skill of mine. Does this place have a name?
I'm not sure if it's a name, but...
I see the owner's got a sense of...
Unfortunately, you'll find it in Hot Crink.
So goat skin in the hole in the wall.
Alltaf sama sem maður að gera í þessu residíu. Finna einhver
Nobody ever told me why we're actually looking for this.
Emblems og setja á hurð til að opna hurðina.
He might know where they're holding Cape.
I'm sure lots of people...
But Liechtenstein's on our side. At least I hope he still is.
But who is he? And why?
He's a young noble from Job's council. His family have domains in Moravia. He's here to gather information about the... Judging by how important it was for Istvan to find out where he is, he's a real thorn in their side.
So we're getting involved in noble men's schemes.
I'll do my best not to get us mixed.
Sure you will. But it can't be helped. Then watch out for yourself, Henry.
You're not the only one.
Oh well. Now just this.
Sven of Skellets.
Yes, please be back.
Tydlilega er að hlaupa langt fyrir blacksmithing contract. Allt 100 bjóra?
My respect.
Já, ég getur. Ég bara búið að drekka 3 Monster, sko.
Kjafta. Það var klúst ekki. Skal fara með fyrir sítsa eftir og köpa þetta með bjóðum ekki?
Nei. Langar ekki sjálfum í sít.
You're always welcome here, good sir.
Good day.
Greetings to you too. Blacksmith.
What do you need?
You blacksmiths, Kimple.
Well, truth be told...
But you can't do it.
Well...
Please. My husband's in dreadful pain. His old gob's swollen, and he won't go to the barber surgeon. He fears him like the devil fears the... He throws stuff at the walls and swears at me. You must help me, blacksmith, please.
All right. I'll help him.
Thank you. We live in the miners' quarter. I told my husband I was going for... He hasn't slept all night, poor...
Well, sir.
Well, that's a first.
You're the blacksmith. Leave me alone.
Cut.
I don't want it. Go away.
Stop, damn it.
No! You haven't the nerve, have you? You haven't got the...
What's that noise? My God, a bro...
You all right?
My tooth! My tooth!
What's with it?
It's gone! You knocked it out!
What?
You punched it out of me! It's over there!
Aye. That's a stroke of luck.
Your gold, that. Hurt like a devil it did. Thank you.
Well, you're the first man who's ever thanked me for punching him.
Oh, it's just you, eh? Aha.
Excuse me. I've taken care of your husband.
I knew you'd help him.
Just don't be startled.
He fought back, didn't he? Bloody hot.
He fought, but he couldn't fend me off. And the tooth's gone.
You're a saint. I'll finally have some blessed peace. Here's your... And I'll tell everyone how handy you...
Why not? Feel free to sing my praises. But make sure you also mention I don't pull teeth with pliers.
Got it.
Friend.
Ivli!
Visst er det geggið síni?
Hvað, það sleika rottu eða?
Nei. Ég var alltaf gaur og til hann að rífa um tönnuna og ert að slást á hann.
Já. Varstu bara um dentist?
Jep.
Og ég gerði þetta alveg líka þegar ég var að prófa þetta nýja DLC.
The DLC.
Brjálaður að þetta kom ekki bara með leiknum.
Andix. Þetta kom með leiknum með mér.
Takk.
Come and take a look. Quality good.
May God give you help.
day, sir.
Síðan alltaf þessi leiki maður þarf maður að spila í gegn leikin á þess að hýla sig á þess að opna storage box og eitthvað svona kjafta og mátt bara seifa þrís og svona max eða djúðin.
Í þessu leik?
Það alltaf í Resident Evil.
Já, ég veit. Það var ekkert að seifa, það var bara að deyja og bara búið.
Carters usually go up and down this way.
But now, just when we need one, not a single one in sight.
You were the one who wanted to go to the quarry.
Yeah. Raven? Bloody hell, Raven! Where are you, man? Where's that referee?
Maybe you just couldn't be...
I doubt that. The Guildmasters were here today. I reckon something's gone wrong.
As you like. If we find his things, my mutt will...
All right, then. I'll take the...
Well now, that's Raven's cap. So where's the head you belong to, eh?
Botti var að horfa með daginn, hann bara, getur aldrei mátt trakka?
Hann ekki búinn að spila þennan leik miklu lengur en þú? Það reyndar þetta voru komin á saman point og hann út og hann spila miklu minna en við.
Ég hef samt ekkert vitað að þú sýndir mér það held ég.
Search.
Sjálfloka.
This looks like his quiver.
Þetta svona Fox Terrier, þessi hundur.
Otra vez a Katsi.
Sure. And you're the one I'm after, sinner.
I should have gone to confession while I had the chance. Now I've had it.
That's not important now. Just tell...
I don't know. Blood, they robbed me. Knew full well the Guildmasters were coming today, and as soon as they left... Fuckers! Yeah. Always trying it on. But today, they went too far. Fuck! I think I've broken a rib or something.
West Wing keycard. Oh.
Where'd they run off to? Where should I start looking?
It's been a while. I chased after them, but they were waiting for me. Then they vanished somewhere up above. They've got a heavy sack of grub and my crossbow with them. Fucking scum!
His skull is sold out.
Banged up.
Forget that! Go!
I'm going after them.
Christ on a cross! Give them hell for...
Ég bara alltaf myrðið eitthvað lið. Trying to be a good Henry.
Fuck you! Shove that coin up your ass!
Away from here.
Er ég bara alltaf góður í swordfights eða?
Jú, já.
Þú líka bara að rappa longsword eða?
Ég var samt með bæði á mér sko. Algi kóngir.
Ekki ég. Þarf það ekki? Það fínt bara að vera með longsword sko. Hvenær er betra að nota skjöld? Aldrei.
Hvað meina, hann sagði next, var það grýttiður í meira?
Go!
So, I found those bastards and took back what they...
What? I thought you were the bloody Reaper, and here you are, a proper guardian angel.
Well, seeing as they robbed you, I reckon that'll have to do...
Ah, nonsense. I've got a shop, haven't I?
That sounds good.
Thank you.
Bloody bastards. Now we'll all be afraid to show our faces in town. Raven's lucky to be...
Well, they beat him, but if they'd meant to kill him, he'd be dead.
Shame you didn't get the truth out of those two.
No, maybe you would have, if you'd gone with me.
And end up like Raven? I haven't even got... What good would I have been there?
Let it go. And come and shoot with me already.
Now? Are you mad? What if more of them show...
I'll get it. Maybe next...
Yeah. Sounds good.
God be with you, Henry.
Nice.
Ertu bara Henry of Skeletons? Nej. Nej! Leon S. Kennedy. Note clear?
Ja. Det är mycket bullets.
Är det clear systerns Chris or Redfield? Hade jag. Ég er ekki svona að tekka trófín í þessum leik, sko.
Þú þarft hvort þið eru að spila náttúr, sko.
Er eitthvað missaból?
Já.
Fyrir utan matinn.
Já. Það er tjekka hvað er mikið missabóls, eða?
Nei. Ég sé bara hvað ég er góður Henry í búmunda playthrough og ég tekka ekki trófís.
Deliverance.
Ég tek aldrei á trófís fyrir ég búið með eitt playthrough, sko.
Quick!
Mér finnst þetta svo allir trófjar að þetta vera og getur ekki bara gert sweep.
Já, það var að gera annað fucking playthrough með það.
Já.
Whoa!
Það eru 49 trófíur í þessu leik, 28 en eru missafall.
Sæll.
2.
Hvað, hver er hinn?
What's going on? You're all covered in blood, lad.
Ég er búinn með það.
Búinn það?
I brought you a reply from the abbot.
Ég veit ekki. Má sjá, er ekki sidequest eða eitthvað? And then you complete the most of the game's content. Been there, done that.
I should first go and find the bones.
You
bring them to you.
That makes sense. What else?
Það er easy verið. Það var svona einu svona stressful trophy til að ná í.
Yeah. You're supposed to destroy the bones.
Destroy them? Very well. I'll do.
Do you know Gerhard? The abbot was just talking to him.
I know Father Gerhard.
I got the impression he'd like to have the bones displayed for all to see. He also spoke about Sigismund.
What's that schemer up? But if Gerhard really wants them, he'll do anything to get them.
The abbot doesn't want the rumors to spread any further.
Well, get...
I think that's it.
Very well. The woodcut, the find didn't do him much good. People are either making... He wanted to make a name for himself, but this isn't what he expected. So he's rather bitter now.
Nice, þannig ég get bara fara að grænda hérna storyið.
Yeah.
Well, I'll get going then. Any idea where I should start looking?
Try asking at the tavern. That's usually a good place. God be with you, worthy sir. Please forgive the intrusion, but I'm here on a rather pressing matter.
This isn't the time for that, lad.
You seem to have misunderstood me, sir. I have urgent business to attend to, and I need a little favor from you. I heard there's been some sort of discovery here. You wouldn't happen to know anything about it, would you?
That sounds like nothing but a rumor to me, sir.
And who might you be?
Nobody important.
I see. In that case, you should probably leave, lad.
I think I'd rather stay.
Suit yourself, then. But stay. Let's get to the point, priest.
I don't know.
Stop your stutter. Where in these parts did you...
Sorry, I don't know quite what... The dragon is an instrument of the devil. He is using it to delude people and spread terror and suffering.
For Christ's sake, get a grip.
Wow, nice.
The father here knows nothing. Leave him be.
Did I not tell you to keep your... Unless you want me to teach you some manners by force...
Who are you calling a brat? Come on, then. I'm waiting.
I'm not going to waste my time.
Coward. What? They aren't scared of. This won't be some village brawl. Draw your steel, fuckers.
You're lucky we're in Billet, but I'll be waiting for... Let's go.
Draw your steel, fuckers. Hvað var með þetta mission? Hvort betur að destroy the bones eða selja þig?
Ég bara veit ekki.
Dragon bones. Lítur að minna því.
Always glad to see polite people like you.
Ha! Ég spáð að destroya það.
It'll be all over soon.
Tók 5 skot til að drepa hann á fucking homma.
Were you the one? You know. Then you must have a drink with us.
I won't say no.
That's what I like.
Nice.
That really hit the
We can take you to him right now.
Lead the way then.
Come on.
I'll be with you. Good day.
Örugglega fara að ræna mig. Pottið. Það ekki oft sem armed dice players.
You have to follow us.
Hey, over here. Come here.
I'm coming. What?
We met this Runyak in Pshitoki. He swore again we met here and played some more.
What did he do?
Nothing at all. When it was clear he had no way to pay us back, we started watching him. He started whining about having to go take a dump. We didn't want to watch him shit himself, so we let him go and said we'd wait out. But the bastard got the idea.
You mean through?
Aye, by crawling through shit. But I reckon...
That's shit. I'm sorry.
That's in the shit, but if you don't...
He was no friend of mine.
Then you're out of luck. Either you give us your money. What do you choose?
I really had nothing to do with him. Hell, I don't even know...
Well, he won't be much of a looker now.
What? Because he owed me too. And he evaded me. So
really?
I don't know you people. You could have warned him, and I'd have had to chase him halfway across.
I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for lashing...
All's good. I'm also pissed off.
Well, he had a really nice bow. If it's worth it to you, maybe you could...
Ugh. What stink! Oh, blessed Virgin! Oh, what's that lying there? Oh.
Leita skít.
Oh, good. That must be him. Oh, finally.
Hann bara dauður.
What the fuck is swimming in here?
Hvað er þetta að leita í skít? Já, hann er döður. Getur leitað í skít eftir honum, segir
eða
Nei, ég fyllt inn tree.
Á hverju geta lúta body hans?
What stink!
Kemur ekkert meira examination.
It's a good thing Capon can't see me right now.
Þú voru að finna það í kúknum, sko.
Ég í kúknum. Enga stund að finna líkið en...
What the fuck is swimming in here?
Það var bara skít alveg það af Henry. Hann bara ykkur tavern þinguskít.
Yeah. Yuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ég finn ekki bón.
This is disgusting.
Kannski hendi ég botti innum á það.
It's a good thing Capon can't see me right now.
Man ska bara in i kortet med.
Ja, you
fuck is swimming in here?
Ja, det är okej. Det är mer koker här, så jag.
Ugh. What stink?
Satioka. Be vitamin closer.
What the fuck is swimming in here?
Kissed it.
Ja, det här heter bara swimming and shit.
Jag get nexa þessu þá er ég komin. GGG. Get náðurlega í pensal.
Getur búinn að runni þetta yfir með skí?
Nei, hann ekki ekki þar það sko. Hann þarna í ekki þar í podlinum.
Ertu viss?
100p.
En ég var röð alla pollin.
Farið tilbaka. Niggle it.
Ég leið tilbaka.
Ja.
It's a good thing Capon can't see me right now.
Hör boyen.
It's a good thing Capon can't see me right now.
Han við bara húsið sko. Það er svona nálægt með þér.
What the fuck is swimming in here?
Meina, ég fann líki hérna sko. Akkur er bóin ekki bara á honum, hátalega. Jú, hann er á líkinni, ég get, hérna, stólað hann núna.
Lol.
Já, það var ekki hægt á hann. Ég skil ykkur.
Moon, sun, star, moon. Moon, sun, star, moon.
Hann samt verður en bóin síðan með, sko.
Moon,
star,
sun.
Sen är en bättre på.
Sun, vidans, star. Jú, já.
Samt þetta er longbow. Er betra með velna.
Longbow gerir meira damage, sko. Og þessi shortbow þá reloadur bara hraðar.
Já, ég meina það gera svipaðan damage, sko. Hinn er með 30 meira damage.
30 er alveg mikið damage. Mikið munur í damage, sko.
Nú, já.
Það ekki bara guppa upp í mig, eða?
Varst þú vonað á þetta sverð? Madman's Longsword.
Nei.
Þetta er besta sverð.
Hvað ég var með sverðið?
Já, hvað sverð notaðu?
Farið í mappið. Já, djók, hvað er alveg... Fucking... Hvað er alveg mikið delay á þessi dóti? Farið til, alveg til hægri. Hægra með Kunnberg.
Hérna uppi?
Ég veit ekki maður. Síðan það er delay í gangi, sko. Nei. Það er hliðin á, hérna, það er kirkja hérna hægra megin. Hægra með Kunnberg. Zoomaði inn aðeins á hana. Ekki alveg, ekki alveg fullt inn.
Hvað er kirkja?
Það er stóra rýmið þarna uppi. Nei, farið upp maður. Það er stórt hús þarna í hægra hotinu við Kunnberg. Frá Kunnberg.
Já, það.
Veit það ekki? Veit það ekki? Já. Farið síðan frá aðeins fyrir ofan það bara. Og gaurinn var með quest þar.
Já, það var hérna. Það var ekki betra en sörrið sem ég með.
Var það sörf þarna Valentine's-sörrið?
Já.
Ég alveg 100p viss að það var betra, sko.
Þú hefur bara ekki kraftað þetta perfect.
Fucking Henry, nei hérna... Fucking annar kompasverðið. Ég kraftaði perfect, jú.
Það gerir miklu meira dæmið.
Já, kannski ef ég nota maður... Var það ekki svort?
Jú.
Það gerði nefnilega svaka mikið dæmið. Það var pingu lítill munur maður á því. Og svort er miklu fljótara í að lemja og svona. Æ, maður.
Já, sko. Bjótið 2. Það er perfect, með perfect start, sko.
Já, við erum bara með bæð á þetta.
What happened to you?
Er ekki gott samt að vera með lítið sverð og engan armor?
Maybe I ran into a door 20
times in a row.
Ever since the bighead asked questions, and the other two gave me a battering. And what's it got to do with you, anyway? Leave me be.
Ég man ekki hvort það var short eða long. Það var mjög maður. Ég var alltaf að tjekka því, bref. Verði það bara rosalega nætt, eða? What the hell? Verði það bara Night of the Seven Kingdoms.
Ái, þetta var vokk hvað þetta var hátt. Hann er ekki dauður.
Beer. Nice. Sér maður hvað gerir meira damage?
Þetta er þessi látum, bro.
Hvað grei?
Ég að spila skeri leik.
Eins og þú gerð, bræða mér ég var að sníka. Öskraðir eða eitthvað?
Ég setti eitthvað vídeo í gang.
Já, það var í botni. Já, beint ég bara, fuck, til bráðum maður. Þetta er þér að kenna sannig.
Oh my god, ég sé ekki opna þetta. Grímur, heyrðu þetta?
Ég er hvernig í lager. Það vondi bjór. Akkur drikkur pappi ekki bóla eins og pappið þinn?
Hvað er þinn í Túborg? Nei, hérna...
Lager, Viking Lager. Bjóri sem ég var hugt á í byrjun. Maður voru spíkar af þessu.
Skil ekki okkur maður íta á svona mý.
Are you the fellow who found those bones?
What the hell do you... Aye, that's me. And now...
You say people coming to see you? Why?
To ask stupid questions like you. Where are them bones? Is it really a dragon or just some dead cow? Or aren't you imagining it? Maybe you should lay off the booze.
I need to find those bones. Can you tell me how to get to them?
Here we go again. So, you want them for yourself. For what? To sell them? Make magic? You know what? Go to hell.
No, nothing like that. I take once they're gone, folks will stop talking about them. And that's exactly what you want, isn't it?
I suppose you...
Antique coins.
Who's been asking about
everyone? There's no one.
I don't mean the villagers. I'm more interested in...
Ah, right. Well, it was mainly... And then there were some soldiers asking questions. Well, I thought it best to just straight out tell them everything.
Where did you find them?
I'm not sure. It was somewhere in the woods.
You don't remember the way?
Not exactly. I was just... So, I took one and scut...
You took a bone? What does it look like?
Not anymore. I took it to show to the fellas. It was one of the smaller ones, but still pretty big. I decided to smash it to bits with an axe as soon as them strange...
Can you at least describe the route to them?
Well, I was working in the woodcutters' camp. And after work, I thought I'd walk along the stream that flows. Then I went along the path towards Rabstein. When I came across the ford there,
So you didn't go as far as...
No, I'm telling you, I was there because of the stream. And you come to it, so I waded through the water for a while, till I came... And then, there was this massive rock in the stream. And I'd gone a long way by then, so I climbed out of the stream and went left up the hill and across this little...
Is there anything you remember?
You bet there was. There was a huge tree stump and lots of mushrooms around. Then I went around some thick bushes and headed on towards Messeles. I went past a few all the way to this old hunting hide.
Nobody uses it anymore, and it's nearly collapsed. There, I saw boulders on the slope below me, off to the left. I walked alongside them till I reached a clearing, and that was the spot.
What did the clearing look like?
Ja, jag ser honom.
All right.
Var det han?
Ja.
How come you walked through the stream? Who'd want to do...
The thing is, I heard there was precious stones to be found on the bed of that stream, but...
And did you find it?
Nah.
Why did you go towards Messeles from the stream?
I just work...
That's not much of an...
Sometimes, you know what I mean, nobody minds.
All right, then. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
Time to get them dragon bones.
Brings you here, so...
What's going on?
Nothing much. If you're looking for it...
Verður maður ekki að tala um þennan? Já, nei, það þarf að berja gæðin sem var að við kúk. Strafst í klóstinu. And it still smell like shit. Æ, 3 af mér samt að þetta er að pikka upp kúkagur.
What the?
This is disgusting.
You come, bitch.
Rest in peace.
Svaka saga Reiniak, svo er bara dýður.
Já. Þú varst svo lengi maður, myndi geta bjargað honum.
Nei. Það er ógeðslega kallið.
Maður séu með þetta loka.
Best ég var að reyna að gera hann vakna, það var svo mikið skítalegt af mér.
Ertu ennþá bara fucking Seville?
Já. 3 bjórar og 1 væn.
Þú voru að passa þig sko, þetta grísar start síðan.
Já, þetta er þér að kenna.
Ertu ennþá síðan ég?
Já. Hann er bara svínslegur. Ég var bara að bíða að hann er svangur til að fá mér annan bjór, sko.
Tók ég þetta ekki.
Þannig maður þarf ekkert mat í þessu leik, maður bara nóg bjór.
Bjór gefur alveg fokk mikið nörðismenn, sko.
Greinilega.
Víni gefur ekki neitt, sko, en bjór er alveg mikið í kólatónu, sko.
Hesturinn getur ekki karjað mig. Nei.
Ekki þurfi að drepa fokki beitum.
Quick.
Sæll, þetta er svaka 3.
Whoa, whoa.
Típvæn. Sæll, ég er í gróða hérna. Fullt af víni.
Já, í vatninu í barlunni. Það er eitt barlunni sem er með good shit spices.
Nú.
Nei, þú ert kannski ekki á þeim staði.
Er ég fastur? Það verður hann eitthvað feitur af að drekka vín, eða maður sé það. Nörðismett 4, það er ekki nógu gott. Nam, þetta var bara bjór.
Jöp, ég er farin í bólan.
Já. Já.
Veist að pabbi er hættur að drekka?
Nei.
Ég er búinn að fá sér öll síðan bara í desember, sko.
Ferðu það ekki vel með taxan?
Það bara fer ekki vel með bara heilsunars. Hann kom með svo mikið hjartakalla maður að hann var upp á spítala maður bara yfir daginn.
Sæll. Hvað er að koma hjartatöflur?
Já.
Hvað var í hjartanu? Stórt eða?
Nei, bara ekki í svona ryðma.
Já. Vel, þú bara búinn að segja heiminu það á YouTube.
Já. Hvað fyrir vaknaði þessi tík?
Það er hjartaflögt, Svenni.
Eyjum, já.
Það er ekkert eitthvað svaka hættulegt þetta.
Nei, þetta væri hættulegt maður ef það var ekki gert neitt í þessu, sko.
Já.
Þannig að fór og lukk sekka á sig, sko. Ó, hérna er
This is the camp. I'll start from here. Now to head towards Ravstein till I hit the stream.
Hvað Ravstein?
Hvað segir þið? Gekkja við þarna nótsin sem maður að fá sko, þeir eru í röð sko, það kemur alltaf spurningamerki, þú kannski búin að kollekta 2-3 nóts og síðan spurningamerki hérna í nót 4, þá veistu að þú er hlaupið framhjóks þar.
Já. Allir bónsin sé ekki hér?
Ég veit ekki eins og hvað er að leita á sko, jú, er að leita á Dragon Bones.
Já.
Já. Ég held að það voru hérna neðst niður í hérna open area-inu, bara hjá dýrinu neðst niður. En ekki kvóta mig sko.
Ég það. Því að kenna ég dætt niður Hill og Day á leiðinni.
Nei, það bara þú. Það vilur, það hinn.
Ræder. Hver notaði sverðið Andúril?
Það var hann Arlen of Penetree.
Nei, ég skal gefa þér hint, hann var kallað Strider.
Hvað er það þessu leik?
Nei, bíómynd.
Strider. Hefur við séð þessa mynda?
Jep.
Hvað er það þarna í Lord of the Rings?
Jep.
Þarna Aragorn.
Já, Aragorn. Maður skal það í fyrsta myndinni, Strider! Strider!
Alan síðan svo þessa mynd.
Það er að gera open world Lord of the Rings leik eins og Hogwarts.
Já, ég veit það.
Ég er svolítið að vonum að vera ekki Hobbiti sko.
Ándjóks.
Ég held það samt sko.
Ég skal gefa þér 10 rútur ef þú klárar hérna Gollum-leikinn.
Já, hann fekk bara verstu leikir síðasta áratugs top 10 sko.
Ekki, farið ekki að ráða hvað þú spila? Þetta er bara einhver ógeðslegur Hobbiti.
Ég held það. Til að ná til yngri kynslóðanar.
Hvað meinur, hvernig á það að ná til yngri kynslóðana?
Ég veit það ekki, það verður eitthvað sexy Hobbit baby. Kannski verður þetta barnanlega leikur, ég veit það ekki. Það er ekki drekabein hérna svona. Það var in the open field.
Hvað ákveðst að gera þetta á miðjum nótt, maður?
Það kom bara nótt.
Þú ert furðulegð úti.
Er ég fara að googla þetta?
Nei, það er bara að googla, ég googla ekki.
Já, þú ert ekki við nótt.
Gauð, þú getur beðið sko með að íta á miðjutakkan.
Nei.
Og það verður gott fyrir þig líka, þá verður ekki með þetta svín lengur.
Nei.
Nei. Ertu bara cool.
Herru, ég ætla að fara í þetta kamp og drepa það. Nýta nóttin í það.
Wow.
Er þetta friendly eða? Bodyguard. Er ég bara creature of the night? Ég myrtir. Það er að fljóða í víni hérna.
Hvað er það víni?
Hvað tjóð það var langt frá campinu? Það var alveg lang vegi af, sko. Er það Cumans? Nei.
Hvað varst, góði félagin? Varst ekki að drekka þetta með Cumans innast, eða?
Jú, það búið að drepa aðra Cumans. Drápuð mömmu og pappans. Ma og pa.
Pa og pa. Hvað, þú búið með hann leik allar henda þær í númer 1 eða?
Nei, ég ekki á vængin.
Það leikur til að blata, sko.
Nei, hann ekki illa gerður.
Nei, ekki illa gerður, bara ég að segja að það erfitt að plata hann, sko. Það mátti ekki drepa gaur á eitthvað að kjafta þig.
Kæfum hann bara.
Þá er þið ekki döðir?
Ég veit það var eitt gaur sem ég kæði.
Shit! What bastard? Get over here! Quick!
Maður verður nú að finna þess að greiði off. Lilli morðinginn. Engin með fucking lykil. Gerir maður bara svona svona, Svo bara leggum maður til leina á líkinu.
Hvað, ertu bara að nauðga þeim? Er það ástæðan ykkur kæðu þá?
Jep. Tökur hann ennþá sattur eftir svefn?
Já, þú ert líka með þetta að þú verður eitthvað 50% minna svangur með þú sefur og svona kjaftaði.
Jep. Það var ekki geta bara næstu vikuna. Það er ekki bjór á Henry, hann er nú að spika þér. Já, það komið dagur. Hvar er beinin?
The hell, bruh! Ekki kemst það hérna inn.
Þú sagði að það var ekkert en open field.
Maður sjá, opnaði matið.
Ég er bara sem dýrið þér.
Þannig að ég sagði ekki gott um mig.
It's a way off, brother.
Eða það? Þetta að googla þetta?
Já, tryggtar hérna. Ég hef verið í mánu að leita, ég hef verið að fara til þér, sko.
Herri, maður nota coins hér. Ég googla aldrei.
Kjaftaði. Drást heldur ekki hvítan bokkárn.
Ég draf viss hvítan.
Já, ég veit.
Sýndi henni gær?
Ég var bara að segja það og varst bara að ljúga. Bara þykist það ekki dreipið það.
Já, ég draf það, ég sagði það.
Ég veit það. Ég googlaði aldrei. Dragabónur er örgulega að bíða fyrir utan blacksmiðið mitt með mission.
This is it. This is the place.
So where are those bones?
Öruggt þar ég
Herri, ég bara komin í rúllettuna maður í restina í restina. Það einn.
The bones aren't here. Shit.
Ha, bein ekki hérna.
Voru að grafa þið upp. Ertu með skóflu eða?
Ég hef búin að grafa en það ekki hérna.
Það voru að grafa mörgum stöðum. Stundum ekki.
Nei. Ætli ég sé með beinin í kistinu vinna eða eitthvað?
Einn aftur.
Ég sverða, ég ekki með beinin á mér sko.
4, 3. Ætla að ná ég á póka sko. Það er meira pláss sko.
Ha. Já, ég var ekki alltaf lengi að þessu. Hinir eru búin að ná beinunum.
Alvöru?
Já, maður þarf að gera þetta missa strax.
Nice.
Já, ég vissi það ekki. Já, mann er alltaf eitthvað. Maður má heldur ekki festrálega rétt, sko. Því ég er búin að voru allt, sko.
Go! Hvað ætlar maður að snúa við?
The stream towards a barn. Finding a stream in this brush will be a challenge.
Hit pouch. Nice.
Alltaf nóg hunaki fyrir kallinn.
I hope this is Shrubbeck's barn, because there's nobody to ask. Where did he say to go next? There should be a fence past the barn.
Fence?
What's that you got?
This must be the fence, and not a cow in sight. Now to get to the other side, back there by the woods.
það hlýtur að vera simple lock. Þarna er Green Herb.
Nom.
Hey man.
Here's where the fence ends. I'm supposed to take a hard right here. If Voiter didn't mix up his directions, that is. This must be the tree. The grave must be somewhere nearby. My God. It's clear nobody has been here in years. It looks terrible. If I really want to honor Voiter's memory, I should clean the place up first. Pull the weeds, clear the debris, and clean the gravestone. Heavenly Father, I know no one's been here in a while, but please see that Voiter's soul rests in peace. And please help the painter, whatever his name may be. Whatever he did, he surely regrets it. Only you know what happened back then. But surely it wasn't so bad Voiter's soul wouldn't deserve redemption. Through Christ our Lord. Amen. I shouldn't do that. I just prayed here.
Ah, they're farted. Nice.
Hesturinn minn hlýtur nú að vera búinn að hlaupa 35 kílómetra sko.
Er ennþá að vera drullu við hestinni þegar þið mæti?
Ég veit það ekki. Á maður ekki að sjá þetta pörka það?
Jú, ég held það.
Ég meni, ég komin í horsemanship 30 sko.
Þetta er hlunkurinn farinn.
Sko, alltaf 1 kílómetri er mikið í þessu leik. Hundra skref.
Go!
Nei, ég reloadaði fyrir þessu.
Hey, your horse tackled me.
What's going on? I'm here about the...
Excellent, my son.
Sorry, brother, but I don't... By the time I found the place where they've been, someone had taken...
What's to be done? I appreciate that you tried to help me, but now I shall have... It will probably be best if I go and see him myself.
Isn't there something more?
I think not. I hope you did everything to the... May God...
Filled with blood.
Till we meet again.
Yeah, that's good mission. Take out the bomb sacks. Það veit ég 2 missions sem maður getur mist af.
Þetta skiptir ekki máli fyrir þig núna, en...
Já, það var ekki feild, sko, en það fór bara ekki eins og maður vildi.
fær maður lockpicks eða eitthvað tíma?
Maður sem að fyrir player skills, horsemanship. Það ekki hérna.
Ég bara... Það ekki sko.
Já, þetta good old. Ég með það hérna.
Good old pebbles. Þetta kom með það?
Já, fyrir lungurglega. Það ég get bara fastráflað. Því að bara grænda hestinu fyrir ekkert.
Ég ætla bara að fara yfir næsta vík.
Hvað ekki gangi hér? Í den var maður bara að deyja svona counter sko.
You never saw that coming. Show your stuff. Oh, you're in.
Vitar ekki Sir Henry Tall. Það mikið eftir í þarna stóriðum.
Já.
Fíla það. Ég bara ekki sidequest kunta.
Egið.
Quick!
Getur maður ekki...
Quick!
Ég að geta hann. Mæ.
Whoa!
Spóna allir bara hurð, bara mánuði setna. Hvað 2 blacksmith mission hérna?
Greetings.
What are you for the don't you?
Ekkert málvinnur. 1000 kalli grettið.
I'm contributing in the name of the blacksmiths of Kuttenberg.
Spyrum að léttast á dæsinu, tekur minnsta tíman.
I'm a master.
Good wife. What game would you like?
Let's play.
Let's play. I've heard about you, but you can't beat me.
Þetta sem bara lokk í dæsi ekki bestið það.
Nei, betra að vera með þarna til að fá 3.
En ég með 4 svo, það gerist aldrei. Ég bara bust.
Það nema að þetta búið að buffa þetta eitthvað. Nei, það er nerfa þetta. Hjá mér maður, þá var ég alltaf að fá 3 maður.
Í alvörunni? Það er kannski unlucky að vera með 4, eða?
Nei, ég var með fullt set bara, sko.
There, that turned out all right.
Maður þarf Saint Antiquus Day. Ætli ég hana?
Við getum prófað bara ykkur aðra dæsa.
Ég er aðeins núna.
Góð að vita, sko, að þessi dæsa sem ég leti nota, sko, maður gett fengið á að fá svo early in game, sko.
If you were smart, you wouldn't be so stupid.
En ég fæði ekki óþra en aða, sko. Hún að slótra mér.
This happened to me back in 98, but that was different.
Well, you're not afraid of anything.
Ég er ekki hægt við neitt.
If you were smart,
Bust.
you wouldn't be so stupid.
Oj, spoil.
That'll work.
Já, það er að horfa. Ég er bara búinn að tapa, sko.
Why don't you even try?
Give me something to eat, thanks. You have to have a bit of sense and count the dice.
And
That's
now
good
you
too,
again.
but you could throw better.
Why is this sticky?
If I was you, I'd take it.
People.
Mother of God!
Thank you for the game, good wife.
Come on. What sort of good wife am I? You'll just make me feel old. Especially after being...
Can I ask you something? I wouldn't want to offend...
Offend me? Now...
How did you get into playing dice? I just mean, gambling seems more like...
Whoring, fighting, and drinking too, right? So what's a...
Oh, women have got their own.
But none of them's any...
So you think playing dice is a suitable...
That's right. Besides, when my first husband drowned while
Kör
washing
om dice.
laundry, I was left with such a nice dice
Henry.
set. I'm not about to throw it away, am I?
He was doing the laundry and drowned.
I never saw him wash a thing in his life. So him picking up a bar of soap, they found him drowned in the water. He had soap jammed right down his throat, even though he must have been kicking so hard there were suds floating around.
How could that have happened?
Well, word went round the village that he'd lost a lot of coin and gone into debt. And someone must have gotten sick of his...
He lost money, his face got tiresome. You must have hated him for that, right?
Come on, how could I kill him? Me, a poor woman? I can't. The bailiff and the catchpoles ended up ruling it was an accident while doing laundry. Well, he's gone to God. And since then, I play dice instead of him. So, God be with you.
God be with you, lad.
Hey, innkeeper, that
Aren't
beer.
those dice sad you're just letting...
So here you are. Do you know how long I've been looking for you? They told me you were dead.
I haven't had such a good laugh for years.
I don't find it funny. There's no rhyme or reason to it.
Well,
speaking of which...
Because I'm not Morticius, you donkey.
What? So who are you?
I'm just a simple poet.
So you made the whole thing?
Not all. Morticius was my grandfather. The poor fellow was probably bored to death in the ossuary, so he sired a bunch of babes, of course, as a monk. He didn't leave much of an inheritance,
but you can play some pretty good tricks with it.
Yeah, I confess.
And now, thanks to us, not everyone gets to leave behind such a memorial.
Yeah, that's just great.
All right. So you don't
It's
feel like you made an ass of yourself for nothing? I'll teach you a bit about poetry. What do you say?
Þetta gæði með að gera píratan úr beinunum. Fannst það ekkert aftur?
Man ekki.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for someone. His name is Janos.
A fella just like that is in the pillory right now.
And where is the pillory?
Are you blind? You must have...
What did Janos do?
He was trying to kill the blacksmith's helper.
And he jumped him, just like...
No. Lord, that scoundrel attacked him. The guards caught him.
Where can I...
He's probably...
Hey, what a...
Dry Devil sent...
Tell him, Janos...
Oh.
Dority, I just pulling pistol.
What's happened?
I was hungry.
Of course I understand. When I'm...
Finally, I just look around for something. What happens? This...
Who came back?
What I know? Some cunt. That's some crazy... What can I do, eh? I wag him a little bit. And now Bailey's waiting to see if he die.
How can I get you out of here?
Wait until Bailey's hanged.
All right. I'll try to pick it.
Quick. That fucking yokel die any...
Supposing I had a word with...
You soft in head, hey? Where they will find...
I can't make it any...
What do you expect from that?
Maybe he'll let me try and treat that...
Yeah? You...
Sort of.
Good for you.
I'll try to get...
Do it quick.
Finna the blacksmith. Right over there.
Excuse me.
Så här nu bara natt igen att vara.
I apologize. Oh, you not.
Come and get some fresh mushrooms.
Det är till att putta handgarnen mot varje sån blod. Power of blood. Ja.
Master Bailiff, what's...
I swear to God, if Loiza, the poor lad he almost killed, doesn't make it, I'll...
Loiza? He...
Wounded? That...
How about I treat this Loiza boy?
What do you care about him?
I wouldn't say pal, exactly.
All right. If you heal, but don't let him show his face.
What exactly did Janos do to Loiza?
He slashed him with an axe, the murderer. Right in the stomach. He's got a deep, gaping wound there, like a gate to hell. We don't have an apothecary or a sawbones here. The herbalist says he only has 2 more days left.
I'll go to see...
As you wish. But...
Jag vill gärna hlina honom.
Christ, pardon me.
Poor fella. That wound looked quite scary.
Kunde inte vara något så.
It's not so bad, really.
It's deep, but it's clean. And it's not bleeding much. Maybe some potion will help him. If it was just a gash, he'd still breathe normally. That's all I can find out now. Janos really fucked him up. But if I clean the wound, a healing potion wouldn't hurt either. I'm gonna bandage you now. Hold on a moment.
Ég veit ekki, hann bara þreyttur.
Hvað, heyrir hann ekki í mér,
Ég veit ekki.
I have a healing potion for you. Drink this. You'll feel better. Some chamomile to help you sleep. And so
what the?
Hail Mary,
hvað rugl þetta?
The Lord is with thee. Please grant Loisa a speedy recovery. He has done nothing wrong. He doesn't deserve to die yet. This I ask as your faithful servant. Intercede for him, Lord God.
Hann ekki að byrja að spila Seeds klukkan 1, Grímur.
May Loisa recover soon, and may he continue to serve the Lord as a good Christian.
Jóri og Bal og kom ekki
Can't dukes.
Well, that's done. It should be enough to. Did the humans attack Miskovitz?
Thank God, no.
How'd you get along with?
As best we can. And we can count our blessings that our village belongs to the Sedlick. Sigismund thinks quite highly of the abbot, and explicitly prohibited his people from pillaging the monastery.
Do you have problems with robbers?
Unfortunately, you're right. Nobody would even dare fart around Kuttenberg without the no-
If you have any problems with-
Thanks so much for the offer, but first I have to convince the abbot to offer-
What do you know about the Devil's Den?
Why do you ask?
Does that tavern have a good
Its name speaks for itself. I even heard the good-for-nothing Hinnik of Kunstadt goes there. The one-
Really?
Take it from me. If I were you-
I've already treated Loisa.
Really? Well, it's true he's looking a little better now.
So everything worked out well?
Well, but pay up first. Loisa needs something to live on while he's recovering.
Það alltaf mikið að dúttum þetta, sko. Ég ekki með það.
I'll pay right away. There you go. Now you can set him free.
Here's the key to the pillar. It's better if you free him yourself. I don't want him spitting on my boots.
Tveir komin hér?
Hann veit ekkert af mér.
Nú.
Hann heyrir ekkert í mér.
Hvað ætlar hann sé bara að tala sjálf á mér, snarkeð ykkur? Tja.
Já, eina gúlatir.
Það en klút party audio og þú ert örugglega bara með afi þér.
Hann heyrði í mér áðan.
Það ekki. Já, heyrði þér, tvær, kurlis og strópaður.
Hvað mennur, ha?
Ég veit ekki hvað Grímur kann ekki íslensk.
I'm sorry.
Það? Hverju get ég ekki talað við gardinn eða neitt? Þessi leikur stundum, sko. Eða bara kann ég ekki á þetta? Eða þennan?
What are you doing? Hey.
Easy, easy. The bailiff is letting you go. Go to the Devil's Den.
How you did that?
I healed that poor wretch that you battered.
All right.
You can thank the devil and Zizka.
How he get free, hey? Last I know...
Me, Kubienka, and Zizka.
Zizka? That mad bastard here? No. And what about Eder? You find him too?
He's in the Devil's Den already. He nearly got hanged in a neighboring village.
Tvær, hvað þá?
What did Polish fucker do this time?
It seems he was,
Hvað til að tala?
Play and hide the sausage with the Shitaki butcher's wife.
Skrifa eitthvað í YouTube?
Ég sé það bara hjá mér að ég að streama.
Ég sé alveg hvað að segja.
Anyway, I will go now. Meet me there.
Kultar Diamonds, Destiny Season, núna aldrei skal gert það.
We'll meet at the devil.
I hope. What God make flowers for? They not for food.
Kurtlösa chat. Kemur út á morgun.
Nenni bara enginn í Seeds. Eða nenni þú í Seeds?
Lockpicks. Finally. Talaðu mig, eða?
Já.
Skal fara í Seeds og þú fara í Seeds.
Já. Þetta super dýl. Þetta ekki vinna. Það var að tala 2 Good Light 500 millilitrar, annars no deal. Það bara my taste of beer.
Sama dæmi bara minn bjór.
Nice and slow.
Þetta þeir heyrðu bara í mér.
I heard you've been looking for a thief.
You heard right. He's a laborer from nearby village, Vizukar.
What was it he stole?
A few small valuables.
How did you find him?
Well, he disappeared just...
Well, it had to be him. You can't...
I agree. Supposedly a poor boy, and he disappears overnight without a word.
Where might he have gone?
In these parts?
How can you be so sure?
On account of that book he stole, he wouldn't be...
Supposing I try and find him?
You'd be pulling a thorn from my side. You think I've got time to run around Kuttenberg looking for some hidden...
Það dill. En ef þú mætir mínútu eftir 1, þá 3 rúndur.
So I'll have a look around and try to find him. Maybe you tried to sell someone that loot.
I was thinking that too.
Það var bara spil frá 1.
I'd ask one of the traders in Kuttenberg about him.
What now, fucker?
How's it going, Cap?
Sehr interessant.
What of it?
Zum Glück nicht. If you're looking for einen Fuschen.
How's it going, Cap? What of it?
Zum Glück. If you're looking...
Another
yes?
Fucking blow.
I'd like to
ask.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Can we fight?
What did you have in...
I want to try a fight.
Good.
I prefer to fight again.
On guard.
En þá líka spyrt á laug. Það bara að kaupa því 2 daga.
Yep.
So I'm paid. Come on then.
Það skrap. Krafta meira.
You've got a lot to learn. I'm all yours. Stop! I give up.
What? You beat me for...
I can try.
I'd like to learn...
Also gut. Was soll... Damit wir uns verstehen. I don't like those Schwert... For me, wenn du wirklich...
that sounds good.
Das ist richtig. Ehrliche Arbeit...
Das ist richtig. Ehrliche Arbeit, etwas.
About a few hard attacks, after which you quickly swing your axe simply... Und jetzt... Ja, ja.
Piece of good shit. Oh, like mother, like daughter.
Þarf Henry að nappa.
Careful.
Ok, svo ég að taka setna nappið.
Já, það er ennþá spekveitur.
Já.
Eða hvað er mikið eftir á barinn hana? Gauðriðin er bara eitthvað algjör hlungir.
Jep. Hann er bara bjór tank.
Bjór tank.
Hvað er í trespassing? Er rúmið mitt ekki að nefið það?
Greinlega ekki lengur.
Af hverju er það your bed?
You shouldn't be bothering us here.
Fuck this game, man.
A bandage. Quick.
Hann fær það bara ekkert napp hér.
I apologize.
So. Das ist richtig. Das ist eine Krokuskeibe, ein Blitzkrieg. Hvað veist, ég er með fullt á svona bókagurum, skill teachers, sem ég bara greinlega bara gefið skít í. Tveir. Eitt hérna og eitt hérna.
Veit ég hvað það gefur. Næstum bara þetta fyrst.
Hey, Hans!
Hans?
Back already, Hans? I thought you'd be gone a lot.
I'm not Hans. I'm Henry.
Yeah, right. And I'm King Sig.
Do we know?
Of course. It's me. We met in We had that row about who had the right to a better pitch at the market. We nearly crossed swords at the cattle market in the morning. But come evening, we were getting boozed up together at the hangman's halter. You more than me, I reckon, seeing as you...
Where is it exactly I'm supposed to be coming?
You said you were off to Germany to sell your wares. I gave you some trinkets to see if you have any luck hawking them. Didn't you go in the end?
You're a
Just a plain old huck.
How's been?
It's been better, but they...
Where do you get the good...
Wherever I can. Every now and then I meet a merchant on the road. Other times So I peddle my...
I'm curious to...
Where's?
Varstu hræddur í Hellhólmi sem...
Nei.
Jú.
Good day to you.
I want to
You don't need repentance. But
I will make that pilgrim.
A small stream, pray that...
What penance do you give me?
Recall the apostle.
Very well, Father.
I'd like to learn something.
What is this about?
Tell me some new...
I'll tell you...
I need the pilgrimage, Father. I've sinned.
I'd like to learn...
What do you want to... I'll tell you some...
Fíla, kenna mér á kvöldin, það ekki allir enn að því.
What are you looking for here?
Ég var að tala við prestinn, maður, rólegur. Hvað er hitt skill til að læra? Það hefur verið hérna. Það er sjáum til. Við fórum hingað. What the hell, bruh? Oh my god. Tjuvel brá mér. Henry bara þarf ekki að sepp lengur. Neglid. Þetta var skeri.
Show me.
Jó. Berjum í hnakkan bara. Setti í fínasta klippu. Herri, ég er að deyja svona. Ég sé það. Ég var ekkert að híla maðurinn, ég held ég þurfti þess ekki, sko. Þetta var þessu klippinni sem ég setti þarna? Nei, það var ekki komin. Arnór er ennþá online. Var samt hann? Arnór come. Ég nam. Nam. Þú ert í bér. Það sníkið drekka. Hvað heldur ég væri bara handónið bara í hvert einu skipti við erum að spila? Það er bara hyggst og róp alltaf. Það var alltaf fullur. Það er bara Henry, bara stoppar ekki. Það er bara bjór eftir bjór. Hvað er ekki klippin komin? Nei.
Da voru ykkur 5 sekundir.
Ich kann das nicht glauben, dass du richtig ist. Herzlich willkommen. Det bara líkur hann skrifin beig, pólska og þíska og ég veit ekki hvað er það. Og gauðra frá Ungarlandi er það.
I'd like to learn something.
Með eitthvað klikka smábarn.
I'd like to learn some hoe.
Fine. But
Ég er bara einhverjum munkastadís. Fyrir þetta labba alltaf í burti að maður er búin að læra eins og
If you're good with it.
I'll tell you.
Ég er ekki tekið eftir því.
Jú.
I'd like to learn.
What is this?
Can you tell me what?
Fine.
Ég held ég að ræna hann aftur, ég held ég svona long coin.
Fucking smábarn. Glemur komin að það?
I come to
your job.
Spekkaði sig.
Nei, hún er ekki komin. Þú ætla ekki lítið tíma þar. Já.
Herri, as an house in the letter regarding save replacement, all content of the save must be removed by 11:30 p.m. The code is 131030. Examination rooms.
Þessi klippa komin eða? Hvað sendur hana?
Bara á þig.
Síman eða?
Nei, bara PlayStation.
Já, nei, það er ekki komin.
Message.
Jú.
Ógeðslega feitabóla maður.
Já, DX. Stærðir.
Já, okkur.
Der Panzer blir sehr groß.
Æ, það er einhver önnur gargandi gæla.
Hvað ert að gera, genið mér? Ándjóks. Það er nógu tímið til að vera hérna komment á fullu. Herzlich willkommen. Það er bara ekki að horfa með að runga sér til eitt.
Er hann búinn að vera að horfa á okkur bara síðan?
Já. Basically. Það er bara, vá, okkur er ég ekki svo góð streamer maður. Þetta er geggjað. Új, ég var státt á bjór senni.
Ógeðlir.
Þetta er svona 50 bjórið en?
Já.
Jep.
Gauð, maður er nýbúinn að safna ammo hérna, það kemur 4 dúndar og það er svona 5-6 til að drepa einn gauð.
Kurlvis og bist du svulf.
Christ. What's going on? Nothing.
Það ætli ég bara að koma til England sem það er berlega regning. Henni er ekki feitur lengur sinni.
Já.
Nei, ég ætla ekki að drakka bjór, ég ætla sem nýkominu undir 100 sko. Gera það bara á songur.
Whoa. Deep, eh?
Das ist richtig, ein Gross. Haben Sie mein Essen geschmeckt, du Scheißdreck?
I believe in God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth, and in Jesus Christ, his Son, God.
Bara eitthvað brjála þondur og ég að preyja okkur altari. Heyr ekki svona hvað hann að segja, sko. Jú, já. Er ég bara ein German? Sie, Pa, ich bin ein German. Turn to the painter. Hverju er ég að fucking leita af? Já, bara leit Find Pavel, hann er bara í allri borgin í Kuttenborg. Der Svenny ist ein groß Dummkopf, aber hat ein kleines. Ekkert að gera og grín bara sleipa sig í þýskunni þetta.
Hvað má hann ekki bara fara heim?
Er hann ekki heima á þessu?
Haldík maður, hvað fyrir hann ekki komin þá í spil?
Ég veit það ekki.
Það kemur ekki eftir 2
I want to go back to what I saw at the dugout.
Það er auka rúta eftir 1, þannig að
Oh my god, komið brá.
I have to say, I expected a bit more.
I beg your pardon, my lord. I only hope you didn't contract gangrene or mite.
Very droll. I like the scarecrow standing there on an anthill.
What?
Hugo?
I made him with my friends when back then. We heard that in some Kuttenberg tavern, they have a skeleton called Hugo. And we'd have done anything to see him. But he doesn't look much like a skeleton. But we didn't know that then.
I visited Voiter's grave.
Það er hálf mínútu og þá er ekkert spil.
It's in a rough state. All overgrown and unkempt. But I tidied it up and said a prayer for his soul.
Ég er hann ekki að
Thank you,
vinna.
Henry.
Veit ekki meir.
And did you mention me as well?
Já, textin er svona mikið tíma að horfa á YouTube, hann gerir ekkert í vinninni.
Well. Thank you very much. I feel terrible for not going myself, but I promise I'll visit when the right time.
Tell me more about Voiter and Libor.
Nothing but bad memories come to mind. We used to spend a lot of time together. But I devoted myself more and more to my painting. And
wait, Libor?
Aye, but it doesn't matter much these days. His mother died shortly after he disappeared. And his father, who knows where he ended up.
Did Libor know you paint? He only shrugged his shoulders when I mentioned it.
To tell the truth, I never discussed it much with him. I'd shown Voiter some sketches. All he cared about were girls. Oh, and swords. He grew up at Rathouse. So he saw soldiers and knights differently than us.
Þú ólst upp á sama stað á Libor, svona, Rathouse.
What about Voiter?
Yeah.
What was he?
He didn't have anyone besides us. Voiter was never a saint. Sometimes he stole food. Suddenly he didn't have time for us. And when we did meet up, he was always telling us how he robbed some traveler here or beat up.
But I still don't see how the...
I envy you then. You see, but we, or I, rather,
would hear none of it. All I cared about... We got in an awful argument.
Nam.
We were both drunk.
Oj, är det bara sötra? Ja!
How did the argument end?
Nej, det är bara Coke Zero, alltid Sunny. Så är det bara i bortlandet.
Ja, monster núna. För jag inte smá að hafa Coke Zero.
Cap.
I do remember one thing, though. I said...
Then what happened?
Well, we wanted to get rid of Burkhard. We were going to go through Libor's. We told him to pack up his things and... But... Well, when... Voiter was in an awful... Kurva. We chased off the wolves. But Libor was inconsolable and wouldn't stop crying. So I sent him to the village to get a shovel. While he was gone, I realized Voiter was still breathing. He was in awful... When Libor returned, I told him to give me his sword, but he said no, that we could still save him. In the end, it was Libor who put Voiter out of his misery. Then we buried him. Not in hallowed ground, but...
You were bloody lucky.
You know, in the end, I reckon Voiter never betrayed us. But that didn't... All right.
We are each the author of our own destiny. Voiter joined up with Burkhard, and it cost him his life. I'll let you work.
All right. And Henry... Thank you.
Well, Mr. Bullet.
That was a trophy.
I'm curious, what can I...
Whatever you like. First, then we'll decide together on the... And to finish it, watch out, and if...
Það er ennþá rigning. Steikta blóðu fyrir ekki á sútinu eða rigning.
Já, djóks.
Er það dúl? Fíla það, brother.
Get away with that weapon.
Put that weapon away.
Halt dein Klappe! Ich gehe jetzt nach Hause!
Willkommen, mein Freund.
Verdammter Regen, oder?
Grüß dich. Wie kann ich dir helfen, mein
Grüß
Freund?
dich! Wie kann ich helfen, mein Freund?
What's happening, Master?
Du musst alle gröta alltid kraften.
There's been another robbery.
Leider ja. Some whoreson stole more of our goods.
What did they steal from us?
Yesterday they ambushed the guild's messenger, who was hard to say whether it was a coincidence or some... In any case, I have found out where to look for that thieving rabble. It will be necessary to search the deep woods south of Burned Out. Ja, natürlich. But I would not be calling on you over just a few silly bolts of cloth. But if you do not feel up to it, I will send my guards there.
That's a risk, all right. But I'll come...
Sehr gut. But take care.
Sehr gut.
Use your head, mein Freund.
Mein Freund. I could have gone on the mission. Jo. Var ég ekki réttum stað, brother?
Careful.
My respects.
Hey, you go.
Checkaðu Messenger, Guðjón. Svona er þetta bræða svona.
Halt dein Klappe, ich gehe jetzt nach Hause. Halt dein Klappe, ich gehe jetzt nach Hause. Sehr gut Deutsch, mein friend.
I'm sorry.
Well, the Flash. That's right. I've never seen anyone admitted to the guild that fast.
You seem bothered by it. Maybe the old fellows could simply see I'm a...
Doesn't bother me. I'm more interested, can you only forge them? Or can...
I won't boast, but I'm pretty...
So you'll like what I'm about to... Me and the lads go outside town for friendly... If you do well, you can earn some groschen and make a... So, Flash, are you...
Right then.
Show me what you got, bitch.
Ready to go?
Ready?
Nee.
Ah.
There's no escape!
I didn't expect you'd have that much fight in you.
This Flash burned your arse.
Aye, aye. You were good. I'll tell the others there's a sharp new challenger here. I'm sure they'll be keen to spar with you too. Here's
Den kokenskapet is turend zeer zwier. Þetta hafa bara slagar í leiknum. Hvað er að gerast?
I'm looking for a fella called...
I don't know you. And stay out...
Could you tell me more about this...
Look, when somebody wants something here, they go...
And where can I...
Christ, you're a bit slow, ain't ya? Somewhere here in the hole, I reckon. He usually sits next to Hugo. He's kind of our top dog.
Right. I'm gonna see if I can find that... Would you like to raise a cup with me?
Do I know?
Of course. You don't remember me? We were drinking here together a few days ago. If I hadn't put a few coins...
Ah, well... I don't... Here you go. My trick. He mustn't find out I have money.
Here's something to drink. Enjoy.
I was pretty damn thirsty.
Well, shall we fight?
Ah! But what do you say to a bet?
Good idea.
Suck.
Where?
Soil bara.
Good, good. Or is that from the drink? You get the whole bet. I'm the last one.
Goliath.
I'm looking for someone called Goats.
Nah.
Oh, you heard?
Aye?
So does he come?
Keep your nose out. If you want to snoop around here, go and see Chenyek.
Who is this, Chenyek?
You'll find out.
Where can I find?
In the ale house.
What does that mean?
I reckon you'll figure.
I'll be off.
Huh?
It looks like Mole is pretty certain you're gonna win.
Oh, I reckon it's really true.
Where'd you learn to fight?
My father gave me thrashings when I was little. He only stopped when I broke both his hands. Ever since then.
Shall we fight?
No problem. So, come and bet. You can't.
Well, why not? Here you go.
You got. True. Han är inte det. Hörde skåla för oss alla.
My grandma could beat him in a fight.
Grandma could beat him in a fight.
We want to see some blood. We want to see some of his face.
Get on, you lazy
That's a lot of rubbish. You lousy bastard. I've been crushing men's bones for so long, and then this squirt comes along and... fuck me.
You know how it is. Everything has to end someday.
Yeah, fuck you. You should tell Mole about it. His head's gonna explode when he hears you beat me. Maybe I'll inherit this place then.
Hur slår den leiknum?
Nej, jag heyrði ekki til leiknum.
What happened? Why you all come?
Good evening.
I'm hungry.
What would you like?
Has anyone tried to sell you any valuables?
I don't deal in those sorts of goods.
Att du släppte det.
I'm looking for a fella called Goats.
Aye. But I reckon I ain't gonna tell you no.
Why not?
Because although the way you're kitted out...
I simply have to find him. And I couldn't care less whether I do it the easy way, so don't fuck with me, or I'll have you. Along with the whole of this lousy pigsty.
Alright, fella, alright. Just take it easy. You look like you mean business. So I reckon you'll fit in fine here. What was...
I'm looking for Goatskin.
Aye. Thing is...
But he used to come here.
Aye. Only this time some burly lads came here.
Do you know the men who beat him up?
No. But there were some Jews among them. And that's pretty odd, seeing as how they don't usually get mixed up in nothing.
Why did they give him such a beating? Did they say anything?
Well, Goatskin is a right knobhead. But I reckon this time it was the last week he was coming, throwing glint around. And when we squeezed him about where he got the coin, he said he was spying.
And does this lord have a name?
He didn't say. We didn't swallow his yarn about spying. We reckoned he made a score and just wanted to look like a big...
What happened to Goatskin?
No word. But I reckon he's holed up somewhere, licking his wounds. Seems he stuck his nose in a wasp's nest. And he won't be sticking it out again for a... If you're going to look for him, try it at night. You don't stray far when he's on the job. Usually between Hradec and the hall. He goes after drunks. So I try...
All right. What does he look like, though?
God's truth. But you'll know Goatskin when you see him. They call him that on account of how he got kicked in. He's got a dent in his forehead you could use for a...
Why didn't you defend Goatskin?
He is and he ain't. I'm no saint. I ain't saying we don't look out for each other.
I'm sure you know the town better than me. What?
Between the horse market and Hradec, there's the Black Horse, a miner's tavern. Wayman the taverner used to be a... And then there's the big bathhouse. It belongs to some bloke called...
Any others?
None I know.
Thanks.
I wish you luck then. Once you're done with him, come by and see us. Seems after all you...
If you've got some job for me, so what kind of work do you have?
A job worthy of just a little test to see that you... What is Wycliffe's first thesis?
Poverty and modesty are the sole and true virtues in a Christian's life. Even the church is supposed to be poor.
Nicely put, but wrong. Second question. Which estate has the greatest reformatory potential? Church. I asked who should start the reform. A reformation is the last thing that... The answer is...
I knew right away that the people who meet here in the hole are...
You thought we were just paupers who couldn't count to 5. But now let's see who's the... Last, who is the rightful king of Bohemia?
Wenceslas.
Indeed. All right. Maybe this will disappoint you a little, but it concerns Wenceslas's brother. It's he who will secure your place in our humble...
From what you said, I gather you're not spying for Sigismund. It's rather the other way around, huh?
We call ourselves the Guild.
The Guild?
We profess the ideals of equality and brotherhood. Our worldly justice is as fickle as a common whore. Yield
justice from me, aren't you afraid to end up there?
Friend, one must be willing to suffer. Sigismund is a usurper. And the church and the magistrates are but a lowly horse. As long as we go against Sigismund and honour...
What if I go and tell the bailiff you're calling him a whore? Just out of courtesy.
Go ahead. Perhaps you are one of the lucky ones who are not harmed, but maybe you don't mind selling a piece of you. As for me, I will go to the but you...
Don't worry. I think the same as tell me about your operation.
We are who we are, and like the early church of Jesus' apostles, in unity and fidelity. I'm in charge. I play Goliath as the muscle. Knuckles, well, he mostly complains. But we're all equal. We share the profits equally, but we don't do it for the well. We want to drive Sigismund.
How can I join you?
You want to join us already? That's great. We're not particular about formalities. Let's just...
Here's to the Guild.
To the Guild.
Kommer ni att svanna Guild?
That reminds me. I'd like to throw a feast for the poor. The bigger the better.
Didn't you say you were just ordinary people with no money?
We are. And this is where Sigismund comes in. Because he's going to pay for the feast out of his own pot.
That was a good one.
Me? Listen careful. Sigismund seized land down in the valley near Path and built his personal warehouse on it, right under our noses as a provocation. There he stores fancy foods and gifts for his commanders. And for that red-bearded gob of his. Sausages, smoked meats, foreign spices, and more. Fancy delicacies from Italy, Hungary, Slavonia, and all the other shitholes where he owns land. While we're eating porridge and cabbage all the time. You will steal all the food you can and as a nice token, let's see... Money? I told you, cabbage. Get at least one head from the greengrocer and leave it. Let him eat for once what we have in our bowl. But I'm warning you, no, don't even think about slitting anyone's. The job isn't to punish some poor sod on guard duty. Is that clear?
Got it. What should I do with the stolen food?
You'll give it to the beggars. Let them. It's not hard to find poor people in the town. Just go to the gates or churches. There are also tents full of them in Minor Street, Church Street or Cobbler Street.
Það nýtt party, svona?
Yep.
When you're done, come and see me and we'll figure out what to do next.
Sigismund will be fucking livid if he can't enjoy his fine sausages. Can I expect any help from you?
If you need some tools, stop by Knuckles. That's all I can help you with.
Alright.
Good luck.
Hvar Mikki? Hann hér. Ja, herzlich willkommen, Jungs. Wann sollen wir Rainbow Six Siege spielen? Þú bara ekti veit að það einhverja þýskunum mín að hlusta á þetta streymi, sko. Ser gutt, ja. Þú veit að fyndi að tókst þarna klippinu sem ég sendi í grannja, sko. Já, náður þessi líka vel. Jetzt nach Hause! Aggressíður. Fara þýskur.
If you haven't had enough fighting,
the cemetery. It's a bit late for fights.
If you meet who I'm talking about, you'll be glad.
Ég sagði þegi, ég að koma heim.
Where did the skeleton?
Another. I'm happy to tell you because have you got the time?
I sure do. Tell me.
Finleika.
Listen carefully. 10 years
Ég var ekki horfa á hann, sko. Ég var bara með eyrunum hlusta á ykkur.
Miners used to gather here and play dice for money.
Miners
are not very rich.
Hvað ég sé ekki að vinna yfir henni? Nei. Bara horfa á streymi bara í 3 tíma. Já, gerði alltaf streymaði fyrir mig. Ég að fara að vinna. Þá var ég ekkert að... Ég var bara að hlusta á ykkur, sko.
And they hid it in the cupboard where the miners kept their dice, thinking they would take it as a sign from God. But when the drunken men opened the cupboard and saw the skeleton, they were amused. They sat it down next to
them, gave it
a drink, and even threw the dice when it was the skeleton's turn.
Good. The wives' plan didn't work out so well.
The miners don't come here anymore, but Hugo, as he came to be called, stayed. The miners don't come here anymore, but Hugo, as he came to be called, stayed. I'm telling you, he'll be still sitting here long after our bones are in the ground.
Það að vanta 5. Emil að koma.
Great. I'll have a drink with Hugo in a heartbeat.
Hvað rankar hann í?
What's new in the city?
Nothing much. If you're looking to make some coin, I don't know about anything new.
What's new in the city?
Nothing much. If you're looking to make some coin.
Hvað er hóri?
Senda á hann, allir mættir.
Segði hans alltaf síðastur.
Hann er snappa.
Gerða það. Gaman að böggan hann fattar aldrei þetta djók. Hó, ég er ekki svo sem breiður hann. Ég sagði að hóri allir mættir alltaf síðastir. Hann sagði bara ha. Já.
No, really.
Ég hendi save hérna. Realistic simulator.
Got up and left.
Reyndar sko alltaf inn á fucking rugg.